Hello guys, we are doing unboxing today with all the sales coming. So keep on watching. Hello guys, this is Cherry from Cherry Beauty Stuff and welcome back to my channel. I know guys, I know it's like, okay, what's now? But there's a lot. I don't know what's going on, but there's a lot of sales left and right. It's like I'm holding. It's like, no, I don't want to buy. But it's like, yes, I need to. Just kidding. So yeah, I don't have a lot, guys. I think, oh my goodness. Okay, I only have 3 boxes that I will open today, guys. I have, I think, 2 more coming, but I can't wait because I have Jeffrey Starbucks, guys, to open up. So let's get started. Okay guys, the first box I got is from Journey, and I got shoes from there. August, back to work, I need a new shoes, and of course, I love to buy Tom's, guys. That's my favorite shoes, working shoes, guys. It's very comfortable. Actually, I already opened this box because I want to try the shoes and I will do a little bit of review, kinda. So I wear this for the first time the other day, and see, I wear it the other day, guys. And this is the first Toms I have that it give me splinters. No, it's not splinters. My feet got, I forgot, it's not splinters, but yeah, I don't know. I'm usually 6'6.5". Maybe it's bigger than me because I have another shoes that's, but this is the first time that it hurts my feet that I have to put, what is this? Band-aid. For the whole day I have to put it, and I have to change it like twice because it hurt me. I don't know, maybe the materials or I don't know what happened, but I'm usually never had a problem with Toms because they're very comfortable, and it's good for walking. It's very light. It's very light, guys. So yeah, of course I'm gonna still wear it but they are more cheaper than the rest of my Toms. I think this one is $39 plus whatever tax. So yeah, but I love it, guys. So that is our first box, guys. I'll be back. So our second box, guys, is from Ulta. So they have, let me open, guys, because I didn't open yet. And they have a lot of sale going on last week. So it's like, okay. Actually, guys, I already buy one of the makeup here in the store, but I changed my mind and I said, oh, why I only got one of this? And I said, no, this is very, very good eyeshadow palette. So I said, I'm gonna buy again and I will sell them. I put them in my page, guys. So you already see that one of my videos. So yeah, one is for sale and one for me. And I only got 2 items in Ulta, guys. So yeah. Okay, so I have the Too Faced Pretty Rich, and I got it here. I have one, and this is for me. So I got the other one in the store, and then it's like, I want one for myself, so I order it online, guys. I don't know if they still on sale, I'm not sure, but if you are interested, go to my Facebook page, guys. So yeah, do you want me to open? I will open it for you guys. I don't know if you see my video in my Facebook page. I have a Facebook page, guys, Cherry Beauty Shop. So if you want to see, let me open, guys. I love it. That's why I told my husband I have to order it online so I can have also one of this one. Like, look at the color. Oh my goodness. Like, one thing I really wanted is like, I want the pink glitter. Did you see that pink glitter? Yep. And I said, yeah, I wanted this palette for myself too. So I said, okay, I will buy another one. So here it is, guys. One more. And I don't know why I only bought one of this, but this is the triple scoop from Too Faced. So I don't know why I only bought one. Like, now I want it. Oh my god, that it looks so beautiful. You want to see it, guys? Oh, look at the gold. Oh my goodness. Focus. 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 Oh my god. Should I keep it? Should I sell it? I don't know why. Sometimes no, not sometimes, but I'm a hoarder, guys. It's like, oh my god, I don't want to sell you. Can you be mine? Like, oh my god. They're gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Let me think. I don't know. I want it. Oh, okay. I don't know. We'll see, guys. Makeup. Okay, we are ready for a third box, guys. And 2, 1, and this is our third box, guys, from Jeffree Star. Oh my goodness. Did you know, guys, that I have to put alarm to wake up early because they're in Pacific time and we're Mountain time, so we are 2 hours early. So they're like, oh my god, I have to put my timer. And then I was talking to my friend Connie. Hi, Connie-L. So I was talking to Connie, and then we're like, did you put alarm? And she's like, yeah, I put in alarm. So we're like chatting, and then I told her, it's like, okay, it's almost time. And then I told her, put the items already in your basket, so all you have to do, just click that on and then put your whatever you need to put on there, and then you'll get it. And then she's like, okay, my alarm is up, blah 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 blah. And then it hit. It's like 10 what is that, like 10 in the morning in California time. And then like I'm putting it like, oh, okay, put in the basket, blah blah blah, and then I'm done. And then it's okay, congratulations, blah blah blah. And then I messaged her and I said, did you get it? And she's like, no, I can't get it. And I said, I told you to put your alarm California time. And she's like, I can't get it, maybe I'll refresh, blah blah blah. And then I want to tell the story, but Connie, comment down below if you wanna tell your story about it. But I'm not gonna tell all the details about it. I want her to tell you guys. So yeah, oh my god, I talked too much again. So let me open, guys. I have this. I'm gonna open, and I only have one item, guys. So um I told myself like I wanna buy all the palette that is on sale that day, but because I don't work for 2 months because summer vacation, no school, so I don't have money. Well, I have money, but of course you want to pay your bills first before your luxuries. So I said maybe I'm gonna get only one of it, because remember guys, the last what is this, 4th of July, that I have a lot of makeup palette, but I never had a color of this. So then I said, what the heck is going on? I said, okay. Wow, they tape it too much, guys. Do you want me to open it or not? I don't want to injure my finger. So yeah, and okay, did you see on the back, guys? I got the blue palette, and I have the alien. Okay, whatever you say about Jeffree Star, guys, if you have a problem with him, that's on you. Okay, so I have no problem with him, so but if you have a problem with him, please keep it in yourself. Don't say anything, please, bad or whatever comment. So yeah. Okay guys, I'm so happy, so happy. This is it. Yeah. I got the red blood palette. Yay! I got the blue palette and I got the red blood palette. Blue blood palette, guys. So yeah. Let me open it for you guys. So that's it. The blue blood is the same thing. They have this kind. So, ooh. And the 4th of July makeup that I did, I don't have red in there. So this is the reason that I get this blood sugar palette. It's blood sugar palette because of the red shadow he has. So yeah. Maybe next year I'm gonna do that again, the 4th of July, and I will use the the blood sugar palette, guys. So this is the one. Oh my goodness. So this is the blood sugar, then the cherry soda, of course. Sorry, my nose is crying right now. So yeah, that is the okay. I'm sorry, I'm so excited, guys. It has a big mirror too. Wow. Okay. I love it, guys. So you want me to get the other one? Let's I know this is unboxing, guys. I know this is unboxing, but let me get the blue blood palette, guys. Maybe I'm gonna do like a swatch, no, maybe if I got like 100 likes. I'm just kidding. 100 subscribers maybe. But I got the blue blood now and the red. So yeah. So oh my goodness, guys. So that's it for our unboxing, guys. I know it's only like 3 or 4 items, but I want to do it, the unboxing thing. Maybe in the future I want to do more unboxing things. I know I'm gonna have an Epsi and a BoxyCharm unboxing soon, guys. I'm still waiting for my Epsi to come, but my BoxyCharm is already here, so I'm gonna do another dedicated unboxing for that. So that's it, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and always remember that there's always someone love you. Shalom.